Guys, welcome back to the Car Company. We are going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use the assist features in this vehicle, and they are cool and they are specific, and let's get to it. Alright, so it's super easy to get to this part of the vehicle. So you go to the infotainment screen, you scroll down on the menu, and you go to Assist Systems. And basically you're shown all of these different types of modules. So right here we got this vehicle, which represents lane change system side assist. And then we have right here, front assist, auto emergency braking, super awesome. ACC, adaptive cruise control. And this one is one of my favorites, dynamic road sign display. All right, so let's go to my favorite one, which is dynamic road sign display. Basically what this does is it shows you what the miles per hour is on a specific road. And not only that, but it alerts you at a certain miles per hour that you exceed. The feature is it allows you to stay alert and keep your eyes on the road ahead of you. All right, but anyways, let's get to the next one, which is adaptive cruise control. We all know which one this is. Basically, it keeps you at a certain distance behind a specific vehicle, and basically it'll slow down or speed up at the desired speed that you want it to be at. All right, and the last one, which is lane change system, side assist. Basically, you have these little LED lights that are on your side mirrors. And what they do is that they allow you to know when someone is in your blind spot. You can actually adjust the brightness to your own desire. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. I learned so much about the assist systems in these cars. ID.4s are definitely one of the most high-tech cars I've ever seen on the lot. But with that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you have any questions, there is a link to our website in the description below this video. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!